How to change name on Ome TV. Now, if you're going to be doing this via the Google Play Store or iOS Store, Apple Store specifically, the process is going to be the same. So typically, if you head straight into Ome TV's official site or even download the application, you will be asked to log in either through your Facebook account or through your VK account. So whatever was set it up into your Facebook account or into your VK account, namely, will be the ones who will be reflected on your Omi TV account. Basically means that whatever name you used on your Facebook or any name you use on your VK account, those informations will be posted. Those information will be flashed on your Omi TV's account. You won't be able to directly change it if you go into settings as well as from your mobile device. So if you would like to change it, then you just need to change to a different Facebook account or a different VK account on your preferred name. So again, that's it. That's the only way for you to be able to change your Omi TV name.